If you want to upgrade to a paid Zapier plan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose a plan, add your payment details, and complete the upgrade without any confusion. Whether you're upgrading for more tasks, premium features, or better automation control, this guide will make it simple and quick. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because your upgrade will apply to the workspace or account that you're currently using. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the upgrade option. This is usually easy to find from the dashboard or account area, and it's the starting point for moving from a free plan to a paid one. After clicking upgrade, Zapier will take you to the plan selection page. Here, you'll see the available paid plans and what each one includes. Take a moment to review the options carefully so you can choose the plan that best fits your workflow. Some plans are better for individuals, while others are more suitable for teams or users who need advanced automation features. Select the plan you want to upgrade to, then continue to the next step. Once you've selected your plan, click Next. This moves you forward in the checkout process and confirms that you're ready to proceed with the chosen subscription. If Zapier asks you to review your billing cycle or plan details, make sure everything looks right before continuing, guys. It's always a good idea to double check the subscription level, billing frequency, and any included features so there are no surprises later. Now, you'll reach the checkout page. This is where you finalize the payment setup for your new Zapier plan. Click on Add a Payment Method. Zapier will prompt you to enter your billing details, which may include a card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Fill in the required information carefully and make sure the payment method is valid and ready to use. Once your payment method is added, Zapier will be able to process the upgrade. After the payment method is added, the final step is to click Pay Now. This submits your payment and activates the paid plan. Depending on your account settings, the upgrade may happen immediately, and you should then see the new plan reflected in your Zapier account. At that point, your paid subscription is live and you can start using the features included in your new plan. And that's it. You've now upgraded to a paid Zapier plan in just a few simple steps. To recap, you went to Zapier, clicked upgrade, selected your plan, clicked next, added a payment method, and then completed the purchase by clicking Pay Now. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.